Back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great and welcome back to our series of crystals, gemstone and rudraksha. So last time I have shared one video on the diamond, that who all should wear the diamond, what all things that you need to be conscious with. So I've get a lot of blessings, a lot of comments and sharing on the same video, and a lot of people have requested me to please post on all the series of the crystals, gemstone, how we should use it and what is the right time of wearing it and what all things that we need to be conscious with, and what is the best crystals and the gemstone as per your moon sign, lagna and the sun sign. So coming back with this, so today I'm going to share you the importance of a very beautiful crystal and the rectificator of the Saturn and the Jupiter, that is the lapis lazuli. So what is the benefits of wearing this particular crystal and how you should wear this crystal, and all the questions that I have received related to this crystal I'm going to share in this particular video. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So let's first start with what exactly this particular crystal do in our life. So lapis lazuli is a rectificator of the two important planets, that is the Saturn and the Jupiter. So before we go inside and understand what is the benefits of wearing this particular crystal, we should understand how this particular planet affects us and how this crystal can help you out to rectify these two important planets. So the Saturn is a malefic planet. It is connected to overall success in your life in terms of the finances, career, occupation, karma, as well as your health too. Saturn gives you the obstacles and the problem in your career, finances wise, and it delay the process. Second, the most important planet, which is a beneficial planet, which is a Jupiter, and Jupiter, which is a planet of the overall abundance in your life. Jupiter planet rules luck, how religious you are, spirituality, how lucky you are, overall abundance in your life. If you want the growth in your life, or you want any type of expansion in your life, like it can be a financial expansion, it can be the family expansion, you are looking to get married, or you are looking expansion of the family. Let's say you are facing a problem in conceiving the child. All the one planet which is responsible is a Jupiter planet. So this particular crystal will help you to rectify two important planets, that is the Jupiter and the Saturn. So now you need to understand that this particular crystal is best for which lagna people, for which moon sign and for which sun sign people. So there are, as it is helping you to rectify the two important planets, that is the Jupiter and the Saturn. So the ascendant, that is the ascendant sun sign. If your ascendant sun sign or the moon sign is Taurus, Libra, Sagittarius, Pisces, Capricorn and Aquarius, then this particular crystal is very good for you. So for the Taurus and the Libra lagna people, moon sign, for them the main planet for them, the Yog Karak, to give money to them, to give financial success to them, is a Saturn planet. As well as Saturn give a lot of obstacles and the delays also in their life. So if you are facing the obstacle, delays, career wise you are facing the problem in your life, money scarcity you're facing money related problem, career related problem, you don't have a job, or you are into a business, you are facing a lot of financial losses in your business, or your business is not growing, then the best is start wearing this particular crystal. You can wear this particular crystal in the form of a bracelet, you can wear it in the form of a locket, or if you can't wear it in the form of a locket or the ring, in that case you can keep the same, you can always keep this raw stone in your pocket too. For Capricorn and the Aquarius people, the main planet which will decide overall about your life, your luck, your finances and overall your health too, is the Saturn planet. If you don't have a good Saturn planet and your moon sign, sun sign or the lagna is Capricorn or the Aquarius, in that case you face a lot of setbacks, problems, challenges in your life, especially related to the health as well as career too. And it can create the problem in your relationship too, because it is owning the overall about your life. So if you're wearing the lapis in any form, in the form of a crystal, in the form of a gemstone, or in the form of you can keep it in the pocket also, this will be going to help you out to rectify your Saturn planet, which is a main planet for you. Gradually and slowly you will be started seeing the improvement in your life. And for Sagittarius and the Pisces, the main planet for you is a Jupiter planet, and Saturn gives you a lot of obstacles and the problems in your life. So Anyhow, the Sagittarius Lagna people, sun sign and the moon sign people are the lucky one. But in your personal birth chart, if you don't have a good placement of Jupiter, it is in a debilitated position, it is not in a favorable position for you, then in that case, you should rectify your Jupiter planet and start wearing this particular crystal. It is going to help you a lot. Overall success in your life, overall growth in your life. Other than that, other than these moon sign, ascendant and the sun sign, if the person is facing problem finances wise, career wise, you're not able to get the job or you're struggling to get the job, your business is not growing, you are facing financial related problem, then the best is you wear this particular crystal, because this is a rectificator of the Saturn planet. So if your Saturn planet is balanced, then you will be started getting you are going to started getting the financial benefits, career growth, as well as if you're facing problem in expansion of anything, it can be if you're facing the expansion of your family problem, like you're not able to conceive the child or you're not able to see the growth, overall growth in your family, you're facing problem in getting married and your moon sign and the sun sign and the lagna is lying in this particular category, in that case also you should start wearing this particular crystal. This is going to help you out a lot. It will be going to, you are going to see that your stuck work will started completing soon, because Saturn is a planet that gives you the obstacles, delays and the problems in your life. If you don't have a good Saturn planet, that gives you a lot of problems in your life, especially related to the career as well as the finances. The same way with the Jupiter, which is a karak of your financial growth, which is a karak of your family growth as well. So if there is a problem in the family, expansion, marriage life, you are not able to attract the right partner and you are lying in any of these moon sign and the sun sign category, in that case also you should wear this particular crystal. Not only this, if you are not from this moon sign or the sun sign category and you are facing such type of problem in your career, you are not able to get the job, your business is struggling, you are not able to conceive the child, or you are facing a lot of problems in your life, you are not getting the solution, in that case also this particular crystal will be going to help you a lot. This particular crystal is very good for the people who are born in the month of February, September, as well as a profession related to the Jupiter or Saturn. In that case also you should start wearing this particular crystal. It is going to help you out to get growth in your career, like law firm, real estate business, iron business, any of these business you are into. If your business is connected to the Jupiter, you are a teacher, you are a counselor, you are an astrologer, in that case also you can wear this particular crystal. It is going to help you out to get a lot of growth in your career. What is overall benefits of wearing this particular crystal? First, it is going to help you out to rectify the two important planets which we have already discussed, that is the Jupiter and the Saturn planet. It is going to help you out to give more clarity in your mind, inner calmness. If you have an anger related problem, then also this will help you out to calm. If you started holding this particular crystal in your hand and start meditating, this will be going to help you out, give you more calmness and more clarity in your mind too. This is a very good crystal if you are facing health related problems, especially due to the thyroid, hormonal disbalance, migraine, headache, or anything related to the hormonal disbalance. Then in that case, this particular crystal works very well. You can hold this crystal daily and you can start meditating with this crystal. It is going to help you a lot. If you're facing obstacles in your life, especially in a relationship because of the in-laws, in that case also this particular crystals help you a lot. You should start wearing this particular crystal. This is going to help you out to maintain good relationship with the others. If a person doesn't have a good Saturn planet or the Jupiter planet, then these people face a lot of problem in maintaining a relationship with the others, with their in-laws, family, or with the other people also. In that case, if they started wearing this particular crystal, this help you out to stimulate a good relationship with your friends, with your relatives, as well as with your financial opportunities, also career opportunities too. What is the right time of wearing this crystal? You have to make sure that you are wearing this particular crystal on Saturday in the Saturn hora, and the best time if you're wearing it between 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening and on Saturday. Make sure that whenever you're wearing it, you're wearing it energized crystal, because if it is a raw crystal and it is not energized with a mantra, and the best mantra to energize this particular crystal is it related to the Saturn as well as the Jupiter. If you are going to energize this crystal with Om Sham Shanicharaya Nama, keeping it near the Shami plant and energizing it with a sandalwood incense stick. Along with that, if you're keeping this with Tulsi plant also and sitting near it, if you're chanting Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, then this is going to activate positively for you and this will start acting positively for you. Whenever you are wearing this particular crystal, then the best metal you can wear this crystal in the silver or platinum also works for you. If you're wearing, you can wear it in the silver locket, you can wear it in the form of a bracelet, and you have to wear in the bracelet in the right hand, or you can wear it in the ring. In the ring, if you want to wear it, you have to make sure that you are getting it done only in the silver ring and the platinum ring, and you have to wear it in the middle finger only. So these all things, if you are going to take care of, and this particular crystal has a lot of benefits which I've already shared with you. If you're looking to order the energized lapis lazuli from us, then you can WhatsApp us on the given number. My team is going to assist you. If still you have any question related to this particular crystal, you can ask me on the comments. I will be happy to answer that.